Hello guys, um, welcome to this video. We will see the two project setup of Shikshalokam in this video. First of all, we'll start with the front-end utils library for which I have already forked the repository, and the whole code base is in release 1.0.0 branch. Here we can see the branches. It is not in the main branch, it is the release 1.0.0. Anyone who is starting new, just keep in mind when you are forking the repository, just deselect the option to copy the only main repository, so you'll get the whole branch thing in your repository, new repository when you will be forking it. Then we'll go to its file, and we can see over here we have projects. Under projects, I have created my own demo application. So we have to use a command ng generate application, then application demo application. So we have to use a command. I will drop that command inside the description box. And yeah, so what you have to do is after just npm I, then use that command to generate a new application to see what's the library condition is and how it's working. So we'll just clear it. And one more thing, when you do something new in the library or change something in the library, just don't forget to build the library, and just build the library once when you have changed something, right? So the command is like ng build dynamic form. So this command will build the library so that your changes will reflect in the main application. It will take some time, so have patience. And then afterwards it will be showing, yeah, green text will come, and you'll see that our library is now built. Then we'll just see our application by serving it ng-serve -o. This -o represents to open it directly, so we'll not have to do some more clicks over here. Then -o, then our application name which I have created. Remember, we have to create the application inside the projects folder to see the library. I have created my application named demo app, so I'll just use ng-serve -open demo application. Then I'll just press enter, and we'll see some loading over here. It's generating the our application. And just don't forget to use Angular 14 for these projects, because it's very necessary that you use Angular 14, because the whole projects inside the Shikshalokam is built on Android for Angular 14. So remember, keep that in mind. And this is our whole library. It looks like this, and we have these type of components over here. Then this is for our library. We can just do this and just stop the localhost. Then we'll go for the second project, which is authentication part. For it, I'll be showing it to you how to clone it. Similarly, what you have to do is use this link or use GitHub desktop, whatever suits you, you can do it. Here also we have the code base inside the release 1.0.0 branch. Keep that in mind. And let's just fork this repository once. What I have told you is like deselect this command. So you will refrain from just copying the main branch. You have to copy that release 1.0.0 branch. Then after create the fork, this will create a new repository in your GitHub. Then after that, just use this link, open the terminal. Inside the terminal, just use git clone command and paste this link. Oh, so it's showing some error. Oh, it's saying that it already exists. We'll create a new folder for you and we'll say front-end auth module. And here we'll just open it in terminal. We'll use git clone command first. Git clone, and we'll paste the command. It will clone the whole repository. And see, it's done already. And using cd command, we'll just go to the front-end authentication module file and use code dot command to open a VS Code inside it. In VS Code, you'll be confused like where is the code over here? We have forked the right repository, we have done whole thing right. So I have to go to the bottom left of the VS Code. Here in the main branch, you have to click on the main branch icon, then go to the origin slash release hyphen 1.0.0 remote branch at something. Click over there, you will see your code working all fine. In the project, you'll see two thing sl-auth application where will we see the library implementation and sl-auth library. So what we have to do is first of all open the terminal and do the npm I command to download the necessary node module files. So here we have our node module files over here. And our node module is installed completely. Then we can go for doing different things, creating new components in the library. So this much it. Thank you very much. I'll be coming up with some new videos whenever you get doubts. I'll be in touch with you through our Shiksha